welcome. Thanks for joining me once again. We are here in the southwest area of Las Vegas. So we are in the Blue Diamond area, in which we're going to take a look at new Richmond American homes. So these series of homes, they are spacious, one-story homes, very beautiful, as you see right here. And they go anywhere from the $800,000 range, a little bit more than 1.5 million. So definitely a premium buyer. However, for a lot of people, this might fit their criteria in terms of space, in terms of their needs. Anyways, let's take a look and see what we have. So as we see, we have our pavers in our driveway. Looks like a 3-car garage. Beautiful stacked stone features. So the other model homes that they have a little bit more different coloring on the stones. Some of them, they'll go all the way up to the roof line, depending on which one that you get. So right now we're going to look at the Darius model. So the Darius model is about $800,000, $900,000, depending on what you get. Let's take a look inside. So right now they have this one converted into a sales office. So this is going to be about a 4-bedroom and a good amount of space, about 2,800 square feet of space. So we have our first bedroom, and then you have our Jack and Jill bathroom, shower tub combo. And then we have our next bedroom. Now, they may not have the ceiling fans at the particular home that you will build. Those things usually come at an extra. A lot of times it'll be wired for ceiling fans. So take that into consideration when you're going to select your home. Most of the times, for this example, this is a spec home, so these things will already be in place. But something to consider if they don't have it, though. You have your laundry room, and then as well as your, let's see if they have this area, garage.
Garage door open.
Okay, 3-car garage door. Okay, we have your second bathroom over here. Okay, and then this part is featuring a guest suite. So let's take a look over here and see what we got, just so you can get an idea if you're not familiar with the guest suite and how it is. So it has its own walkway, exit, and entryway leading in. So if I go back out here, this leads. If I go towards that direction, it leads towards the front door. However, for those who are staying in the guest suite, they have their own walkway and entrance to go in. A little bit more privacy, isolation, small kitchenette area with your cabinets, as well as your living area for this guest suite area as well. So pretty spacious. You have your lighting, and then you also have your wiring for your ceiling fan if you choose. And then this is the bedroom for the guests who will be staying in your house, wherever that guest may be. Perhaps you have family from out of town. Perhaps your in-laws staying in with you, or whoever it may be that suits your needs when you go and buy this kind of home. Okay, standing shower, beautiful undermounted sink. So this is something that appeals to you. Comment in the channel and let me know if this is something that will fit you. I understand that this kind of model is, these kinds of home are definitely for a more premium buyer. Places like California, for example, where the prices of the homes and the cost of living it's pretty high. For that kind of buyer in particular, probably in areas such as Washington, Oregon, this might be a good option for them, seeing that it's not as expensive as their states, the respective states that they're coming from. So you have your living area as well. Beautiful lighting throughout, right? Open, inviting to your dining room, kitchen area. Okay, you have your beautiful island feature, stainless steel appliances, maple cabinets, as well as a pantry for storage. You have your oven, conventional oven and microwave. Okay. Large unmounted sink. Again, your tile backsplash. 5-burner gas stove and including a pyramid hood as well. Again, soft close. You have your dishwasher, and then in this area you have your dining room nook, also with built-in cabinets as well. So quite an ideal amount of space for storage, and it's very nice. So consider this area right here, for example. I like the way that they did this. They have the screen door, if I can get it open. Maybe not. But anyways, I just want to get the idea to you guys. You have this screen door that you're able to open to the back patio. It's a covered patio that they have here, also with some lighting as well and some pre-wiring. And you can essentially open up all this space, so all this space can be as one, especially if you have a lot of guests coming over, family members that are coming to visit you as well, though. So things to keep in mind. Okay. Let's take a look at the master once more. Nice large windows, good amount of space, good lighting as well as pre-wiring available, of course. Let's take a look at it from this side. Okay. And then you have your walk-in shower. So these are one of those showers where you have to watch your step and kind of step up into it and then step down into the shower area where you have this one has a rainfall shower head above as well as a regular shower right there on the wall. So quite a bit of space, especially if you have a missus that is living with you that likes to take up all the shower. If they're taking the moments with you as a husband and wife. You know what I mean, guys. Anyways, you have your water closet as well as your walk-in closet. Okay. So for this area, this house in which we have, this is going for around 900,000. Usually the cost is about $800,000 range and up. HOAs are going to be a little bit over $100. And what's nice about this place, it is centralized, so it's quite convenient to be able to get through a lot of areas within Vegas. So for example, it's about 15 minutes from the airport from here, about 5 minutes from the nearest hospital that's just down the road, and as well as just to get into the I-15 freeway access, 5-6 miles down the road from where we're at. And if you have any kids or if you are a student who is going to UNLV, it's about a 25 miles drive from this area. Also, I want another thing to note that you also have access to other areas via either the I-15 and or if you take this Blue Diamond Road that runs along as one of the main roads here. They have an area called Pahrump, and there's a very beautiful drive through the mountains and whatnot though. Lastly, you have your backyard area. So this is something that you need to take care of, that you need to seek some kind of contractor in order to get this done, approved by the HOA. But quite a bit of space here in the back. And again, you have your covered patio, your lighting, and your pavers and whatnot though. So everything else, that's something that you need to take care of. One of the benefits that they have here for those who are doing financing is for the conventional 4.875 for the conventional. This is with 10% down, and for the FHA buyer, for 3.5% down, 4.375. So that's pretty good. A lot of people are worried about the interest rates and all this stuff though, but a lot of the new home builders are giving a lot of incentives for this kind of thing. Anyways, I appreciate each and every one of you joining me this day, looking at this beautiful home here we have by Richmond. And if you have any questions, if you would like me to help you on your real estate endeavors, you want to buy here in the Las Vegas area, please get a hold of me, contact me, text me, whatever it may be, and I will be glad to help you. Anyways, that's it. Take care. Have a good day. Peace.